Presenting Skullcandy Hesh ANC Bluetooth wireless over-ear headphones with mic in black color. It is also available in chill grey and mod white. The box contains a headset and an ear cushions. With powerful 40mm drivers and exceptional acoustics, Hesh ANC features audio quality that has been refined over 4 generations of constant improvement. It delivers the clear, rich sound combined with active noise cancelling, delivers the kind of captivating audio experience that you'd expect for twice the price. It features a long-lasting 22 hours of battery life. Plus, whenever you get low, the rapid charge feature gives you 3 hours of listening time on just a 10-minute charge.